Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had a really nice and relaxing spring break and you're ready to come back and learn. Today, what we're going to learn are different spelling alternatives for the sound ch, ch. So when you hear the sound ch, there are different ways to spell it, okay? So remember our tree here? I have two different branches. We have two different branches because the sound ch can be spelled two different ways. One, it can be spelled as a CH, ch. And two, it can be spelled with a TCH, ch. Okay? Both of these spellings make the sound ch. But when do we use one versus the other? If you remember when we've been learning about the k sound, what do you remember about the sizes of the branches? Can you think what you can remember? That's right. The longer the branch, the more common it is, or the more we use it. So when we hear the sound ch, you can see here that the CH branch is longer. So this is going to be the most common way that we spell the sound ch. So today I'm here to tell you when we use one or the other. Are you ready? Okay. So let's start with the smaller one, the TCH, ch. So the TCH is almost never used at the beginning of a word or a syllable, okay? And it's usually always found after a short vowel. Remember, our short vowels are a, e, I, okay? So it's almost never found at the beginning of the word or the syllable, and it's usually found after a short vowel, a, e, I. So let's think of some words that have the TCH for the sound ch. Batch, ah. You see there's that short vowel. Batch, itch. Let's see. Etch. You hear the ch, but it's spelled TCH because it is after a short vowel. Or it could be Dutch. So you see all these have the TCH because it comes right after a short vowel. A, e, I. Now let's move over to our next branch, the CH for the sound ch. When do we use the CH? So the CH is used in most other situations. It is the most common way to spell the sound ch. We can use it, there's three different ways where we can use it. So we can use it at the beginning of a word, like, let's think, chop, op, chop, chain, ain. So we see here that the CH is used at the beginning, and it's also used at the final position after a sound that is not a short vowel. So it's used at the end when the sound that comes before it is not a short vowel. For example, the word beach. It is at the end after a sound that is not a, e, I. It is not a short vowel. You see b, each. It is not a short vowel. So we see it at the end when the sound is not a short vowel. So beach, we can have March. You hear the R sound, so you know it's going to be a ch not a TCH. It's a CH because that is not a short vowel, okay? March, ouch. Ouch. The ow comes before the ch sound. So you know it's going to be a CH because ow, it is not a short vowel. Or smooch. Smooch, okay? The third way we use it is in a consonant clutter. For example, lunch, you have that consonant N, so the ch is going to be a CH. Lunch or pinch, that consonant cluster, you see that N. So after the consonant cluster N, you hear ch is going to be a CH, okay? So let's review really quickly. When do we use a TCH? We use TCH for the sound ch after a short vowel. A, I, a. Every time you hear a short vowel, it's going to be TCH. When do we use the CH for the sound ch? We use the CH most common and 3 different rules when we use it, okay? We use the CH at the beginning, okay, at the beginning, so ch, op, chain. We use it at the final position here at the end when what comes before it is not a short vowel. So you see here, b, e, ch. That ch sound is a CH because the b, e, what comes before is not a short vowel. R, not a short vowel, so you know it's a CH. Ow, it is not a short vowel, so you know it's a CH. Ooh is not a short vowel, so you know it's a CH. And then lastly, with the consonant clutter, you see lunch, that ch sound. What comes before is the consonant N, so you know it's going to be a CH sound. So boys and girls, now I want you to go to your workbook page and practice when we use CH or TCH, I'm sorry, CH or TCH for the sound ch. Have a good day.